Computer parts. And PC assembly. There are many parts of computer to build a unit, and to make a computer work. The parts and functions will be discussed on the next videos. It also presents PC assembly. The CPU. The computer CPU is responsible for handling all instructions it receives from hardware and software running on the computer. Also serves as the brain of the computer. Heatsink. A heatsink is an electronic device that incorporates either a fan or a Peltier device to keep a hot component such as a processor cool. Random access memory or RAM. RAM is a computer's temporary memory, which exists as chips on the motherboard near the CPU. It stores data or programs while they are being used and requires power. Computer chassis. The chassis is the housing that helps protect and organize all the components that make up your computer, also called as case. front panel connectors. System panel connector is what controls the computer's power button, reset button, and LEDs found on the front bezel of a computer using the system panel cables. HDD or hard disk drive. The computer's main storage media device that permanently stores all data on the computer. Most computer hard drives are in an internal drive bay at the front of the computer and connect to the motherboard using SATA, SCSI, or a SATA cable and power cable. The optical drive is a pre-pressed compact disc which contains data. Computers can read CD-ROMs, but cannot write on the CD-ROMs, which are not writable or erasable. Drive cables. In this video we will connect both drives to the motherboard. In this example we are fitting a SATA hard drive and an IDE optical drive. The process will be the same for SATA optical drives and IDE hard drives. Video card is an internal circuit board that allows a display device, such as a monitor, to display images from the computer. In this video we will be installing peripheral component interconnect graphics card. This is similar to installing any type of PCI-based card, the only difference being the motherboard slot that the card is placed into. In this case it will be the PCI 16X slot. power supply is a reference to a source of electrical power. A device or system that supplies electrical or other types of energy to an output load or group of loads is called a power supply unit or SU. In this video we will be installing an ATX power supply into the case. This is the final stage of the build process, and is also one of the simplest. Almost all components will require power directly from the power supply, although some, such as PCIe cards, will receive it from the motherboard.